What's up guys, Crypto Renegade here again with another video for you, and in today's video we are going to do an unboxing and quick review of the Safepal S1 hardware wallet. And then later in future video, as a follow-up to this, I'm going to go ahead and do a full-blown tutorial and using the device, so stay tuned for that. But what I want to talk about here on the Safepal S1 hardware wallet is this is a entry-level wallet, very cheap, cheaper than pretty much any other hardware wallet on the market right now. It's only coming in at $39. And this is a very interesting wallet. It's completely wireless, and it was set up and created by Binance Labs. So this company who created Safepal had enough faith that the whole Binance team backed it and completely set it up, and is actually one of the only hardware wallets that will actually support the BNB tokens and the BNB coin itself. So very interesting there. So one of the things that I really like about this is it's a completely wireless setup. So there's no NFC connection, there's no Bluetooth connection, there is no wires, there's no connectivity to your computer. So you might be asking why or how am I going to use this wallet? And the quick and small answer is QR codes. So everything is completely encrypted. And what's really interesting about this is it's managed completely through your smartphone, through an iOS or through an Android app, but also everything is encrypted. So there is a camera on the device, which we'll take a look at in just a minute. But one of the things I wanted to say about this particular hardware wallet is if you're brand new to cryptocurrency and you're not sure which wallet to go with, for the price, you pretty much can't beat this, and the security level is very interesting. It's unlike a Trezor and it's unlike a Ledger in the sense that you don't have to connect it to an interface, to USB or any other cables to be able to transfer and store your cryptocurrencies. So with this particular wallet, it's a small device. It has a 1.3-inch color screen and has all the same security measures. It has a 4 to 8 digit PIN. And mainly, basically what it does here is it allows you to encrypt everything by utilizing the camera on the device, and you can scan it with your smartphone and then transfer funds completely that way. It's a very smooth process, which I'll go over with in detail in the next video. But one of the things that I like particularly that Binance did with this wallet is they kept it pretty simple. So right now, if you're just getting into the market and you just want to make sure that you have the easiest and most effective way of storing these cryptocurrencies, it'll cover Bitcoin, it'll cover Ethereum and all the ERC20 tokens. So there's over 1,000 of those ERC20 tokens that this is going to cover. And then also, it also covers BNB tokens. So Binance Coin, and it has its own blockchain with new tokens that are being rolled out. So anything that you get on through the Binance wallet, any earnings and things like that, you can store safely here. So we're gonna take a quick look here and unbox this here. One of the interesting things about this particular box that I notice is different than Ledger or Trezor is that there's no security tape or no security measures on the box. And they say the reason that is because they don't need it because it has a CCEL 5 Plus chip, which basically is the same security level as as Ledger. So Ledger doesn't have any security, tampering evidence contraptions on their box either because they don't think that they need it. They think the device is secure. So taking a quick look at the device, very sleek. There's only one port, and that's a micro USB for charging, so you don't need to do it for any transfers. And then there's a single button. So it's got a kind of a matte texture back, and there is I think it's a 3 or 5 megapixel camera, which is used for scanning QR codes. But it's very sleek. You fit it right in your pocket. It's got a pretty good presentation. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on real quick. And I may have not charged, but let's take a look. I'll see if I can load that up and get it set up so we can do QR codes in the next video. It looks like I may not have planned ahead and charged it, but I just wanted you to take a quick look at the device. It's very sleek. They have a directional pad for you to navigate for your PIN and for you to navigate your recovery seed setup, a 24-word recovery seed phrase, and everything is authenticated through here. When you make a transaction and you scan it, you have to authenticate it with this middle OK button here. What else comes in the box? It's pretty simple and straight to the point. Here's your micro USB charging cable that comes with it. And then in the box itself, basically are just your basic, it comes obviously with some stickers. It comes with a cloth here to kind of clean up any fingerprint smudges because it does have a glossy figure on it. So it comes with that as well. And then it comes with your recovery seed wallet, recovery seed phrase. You can do anywhere between 12, 18 and 24 words on this. It's completely up to you. And then it comes with just a simple kind of fold out user manual here, where it just basically explains how to use it, which is pretty simple. I mean, like I said, it only has 2 buttons. One is to power it on, and the rest of it here is for the navigational, for setting up the PIN and setting up your recovery seed phrase. It also comes with a QR code directly on here, so it'll have you download, if you don't have it already downloaded already, the Safepal Wallet app. And then you can also recover and restore. If you have another recovery seed phrase you want to restore it to this wallet, as long as it's a BIP32 and 44 compatible wallet, which most wallets are, whether it's software or hardware, will work. So pretty straightforward and pretty neat here. Like I said, it's completely wireless. They are adding Litecoin, Ripple, and Tron are the newest coins that are going to be added here within the next few weeks. I talked to the owner, and those should be rolled out very, very shortly. So they are adding coins all the time. But right now, if you just have Bitcoin or ERC20 tokens or even BNB coin, this is probably going to be your best option. So when it comes to pricing, when it comes to security, I don't think you can beat this because it is unique. It's a lot different than the Trezor and Ledger, which have built up a great reputation. But this is completely off the grid. Everything, like I said, comes through a camera that you can scan back and forth with your phone on the screen, and QR codes will illuminate here, which I'll go over in the next video here. So that's it pretty much just for the unboxing. Like I said, I'm going to go into an in-depth tutorial with how this device works on the next video, but I just wanted you to kind of see how simple it was and everything that came in the box. Gives you 3 recovery seed backups pages for you to write it down on. You know, what a lot of people do when they don't have any sort of metal recovery seed backup is they'll use 3 different recovery seeds and store them in different locations as an extra security measure in case one gets misplaced and what have you. So just wanted to go over that initial kind of product introduction, and stay tuned for my written review on bitcoinlockup.com and the follow-up video here where I'm going to go and do some test transactions and show you how to set it up. That is it today. Thanks for watching.